Hanggang ngayon kahit anong paliwanag, hindi pa rin nila maintindihan tulad na lang sa comment ni I'm Jen. Sabi niya, we acknowledge Mary as a vessel but the center is Jesus Christ only. And we don't pray to Mary because Mary is not a God po. We only pray to God, Jesus, and ask guidance from the Holy Spirit. I was once a Catholic din po but I don't pray to Mary. Unang-una na kanyang comment, Jesus is the center. Hindi po yan debatable. Katuruan yan ng simbahang Katoliko at ang simbahang Katoliko ang unang nagturo. Pangalawa, Mary is not God po. Hindi din yan debatable kasi walang katuruan sa simbahang Katoliko na Diyos si Mary. No? Pero ito lang ang ating kaklaruhin mga kapatid. Na kung may kakayahan magdasal ang mga tauhan ng Diyos way back during the time of Moses, according to Exodus chapter 32 verse 11 to 14, Moses intercedes for the Israelites. Dito na naman sa Numbers chapter 14 verse 13 to 19, Moses pleads with God to spare Israel after their rebellion. In Deuteronomy 9:25 hanggang 29, again Moses repeatedly beseeches God to forgive the Israelites for their sins. Other men praying on behalf of the people. Samuel interceding for Israel. 1 Samuel chapter 7 verse 5 to 9. King David praying for the people. Psalm chapter 51. Daniel's prayer for the people's sins. Daniel chapter 9 verse 4 to 19. These examples illustrates that praying on behalf of others, intercessory prayer, is a biblical practice where leaders or prophets plead with God to show mercy and help the people. Ibig sabihin, kung ang mga tauhan tulad ni Moses, Daniel, David, Samuel ay may kakayahan mag-intercede, God allows them to be an intercessor. How much more Mary as the mother of Jesus, the closest to the heart of Jesus? Kaya nga kaming mga Katoliko po, mga kapatid, no? Tulad sa iyo, I'm Jen, hindi mo talaga naintindihan na ang ating inang Maria mas makapangyarihan ang kanyang intercession dahil she is the